Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. First, power off your HP Pavilion 15-bc450ns and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. After successfully removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is typically situated near the center of the motherboard. If you see an existing SSD, you will need to unscrew the securing screw using your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully lift the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you are replacing an old SSD, ensure you dispose of it properly. Now, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle you used to remove the old one. Once it is securely in place, press it down gently and replace the securing screw to hold it in position. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. After cleaning, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Now, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel and receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. Once you've confirmed that the SSD is recognized, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Congratulations, you have successfully upgraded your HP Pavilion 15-bc450ns with a new M.2 SSD, enhancing its performance significantly. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.